Hey there, today we're going to be going over how to stream to multiple destinations, whether you're on desktop or IRL. First, we'll be going over a free plugin that you can use on your OBS, and then if you need to use it for IRL, we'll be covering what's called a streaming server. I recommend one called Streamable, and this will work when you're IRL, so you can go outside and stream to Twitch, Kick, YouTube, or whatever you need. Alright, let's head right in. So for streaming to multiple destinations at the same time from OBS, which is going to be on your desktop, we're going to be using a free plugin called OBS Multi RTMP by Sorayuki. And so what you want to do is just go over to releases on this GitHub page. I'll be linking all of this in the description so you guys can just check it out. And we want to, because we're on Mac right now, we're going to be downloading the Mac version. But if you're on any other type of computer, like if you use Windows or Linux, you can install that version. So sometimes on Mac, it'll say that it can't verify that it's safe, but it is safe. I'll just go into settings, privacy, and security and click open anyways. And now when you restart OBS, what you'll have in the docs section is called multiple output. And what you want to do is just add all your destinations, like SRT or whatever you have for Twitch, Kick, into here. And when you click start all, it'll stream to all the platforms at the same time. So if you're just streaming from your desktop, this is all you need and you're good to go. It might increase the load on your computer because you are setting it to 3 different destinations. So if your computer can't handle it or you need to use IRL like your phone and you need to go outside, what you're going to need is called a streaming server. The best one that I recommend is called streamable.run. It's pretty much what all the big streamers are using right now. And so we can just go over what it is. It's a streaming server. It'll give you drop protection, remote OBS. You can switch between desktop and IRL without ending, DDoS protection, collab streaming, as well as multiple destinations all at the same time. So to get started, all we need to do is start our server. It takes less than a minute, around 30 seconds. While we're waiting for that, I'll show you guys in the settings. We can go to destinations. And here I have Kick, Twitch, and YouTube all enabled. And so when we go to our server, we'll have a control panel where we can control our stream from any device and anywhere in the world. The main thing here is this destination. So if you can see, I have Kick, Twitch, and YouTube. And what we're going to do really quickly is just connect my iPhone. We made this super easy. All you need to do is use your phone camera to scan this QR code for Moblin and then click go live on Moblin. And just like that, now we have our ingest 1, which is my phone data going into Streamable, which is our streaming server, which then as soon as I click start all streams, it's going to go to Kick, YouTube, and Twitch all at the same time. And so let's just check that really quickly. Here we have Kick being live, YouTube being live. If we go to the live broadcast, as well as Twitch. What's really cool is that you can open up remote OBS, which you can control from anywhere. And real quick, I'll show you guys, if you guys lose connection when you're IRL, what will happen if you don't have the streaming server? I'm going to emulate this, by the way, with the airplane mode. What would happen if you don't have a streaming server is that the streaming platform will just end your stream, like Kick or Twitch will just mark it as ended and all your viewers will be kicked. But with Streamable, what we do is automatically switch you to an Ingest offline scene, which has your offline clips. And I'll just emulate going back online by turning off airplane mode, which means it's going to get reconnected. What Streamable will do is automatically resume your stream and your viewers never get kicked. Alright, hopefully that's helpful. Streamable does have a free trial as well as a discount, so try it out with your setup and see if you like it. In the next release, they're also adding a feature where you can stream horizontally and vertically at the same time. So you can edit your scene for TikTok as well as Twitch, and you can multi-stream to both at the same time. So probably by the time you're watching this video, that's already out, so you guys can just give it a try. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.